Well, in one of your YouTube videos, you actually said that you're currently $600 million in debt. No?
1.2 billion.
1.2 billion, okay.
Don't follow this idiot. He's all about taking loans from banks because loans and debts are tax-free. And bank loans has to deal with interest, which is haram for Muslims. And the reason it's haram because it's meant to keep you poor. Inspiring people to go in debt, taking loans from banks, is asking people to stay poor. While this idiot himself got recognized by writing a fake book. And he goes on podcast to podcast, giving interviews to people and basically making videos. These videos are distributed among YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. I want you to stop thinking about this and start thinking about this. And this is what we do. Learn using AI. Write books on your knowledge. Make videos using your knowledge. Publish your videos on the same platforms and channel your viewers through an automatic high-ticket funnel. This automatic funnel will do the selling on your behalf and generate thousands of dollars, and you will earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commissions for sale. The reason our students love this system is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99 and I will DM you with a link to a free case study.